Welcome back to e-learning for Adobe Dreamweaver CS6. In the last lesson, we have learned how to modify an existing CSS layout. In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to add a background image to the header. CSS styles are the current standard for all web styling and layout. In the following exercises, we'll apply background colors and a background image to a page section, adjust element alignment and the page width, and modify several text properties. All these changes are accomplished using Dreamweaver CSS style panel. If you start at the top of the page and work down, the first step would be to insert the graphical banner that appears in your working design. You could insert the banner directly into the header, but adding it as a background image has the advantage of leaving the element open for other content. It will also allow the design to be more adaptable to other applications like cell phones and mobile devices. Select the image placeholder, the insert logo 180 by 980 in the header, and press delete. When you delete the image placeholder, the empty header will collapse to a fraction of its former size because it has no CSS height specification. In the menu bar, choose Window and click the CSS styles. In the CSS style panel, double click the header to rule it. So click it and look for the header. The CSS rule definition for header dialog box appear. In the background category of the CSS rule definition for header dialog box, click the browse button next to the background image field. In the images, choose the banner. The size of the banner is 950 by 130 and it has a JPEG format. Click OK to choose to select the background image. Background images repeat both vertically and horizontally by default. This isn't a problem at the moment, but to ensure that this setting doesn't cause any undesirable effects in the future, you'll need to change the repeat behavior. Choose No Repeat from the background repeat menu. Choose the No Repeat and click Apply. The header is wide enough but not tall enough to display the entire background image. Since background images aren't truly inserted into an element, they have no effect on the size of a container. To ensure that the div is large enough to display the entire image, you need to add a height specification to the header. In the box category, type 130 in the height field and choose pixel from the pop-up menu to the right of the height field. So choose pixel and then click Apply. The background appears fully in the header element. Note that the image is slightly narrower than the container. We'll adjust the width of the layout later. We don't want to set the width on the header element itself. The header element contains a background color that doesn't match your site color scheme. So I'm gonna change the color scheme of the header. Back in the background category, I'm gonna type 90 in the background color field and then apply, then okay. You won't see the background color unless the background image fails to load. Choose file and then save. So that's all in adding an image background to an header. See you on the next video.